Hi, it's Natalie Wieland from VidVersity, and this is just a quick overview of our product called Benchmark, which is a tool that is, say you have an assignment that you're setting up for your students and you want them to submit a video. That might be because it's a practical observation that you need to make, or you might need them to show you that they actually wrote the essay, so they might have to do a 5-minute video about why they created that essay or wrote that essay. So that's what Benchmark's about. The first thing is it embeds inside a learning management system. So you have to have a learning management system to be able to use that. So the example I'm going to give is using in Canvas. So let's go into Canvas and log in. Now you go into your subject and you set up an assignment just like any other assignment. So let's say we want our student to demonstrate an electrical circuit. So we'd put our instructions here. Please create an outline of why you built that circuit and how. Decide the point system just like you would anything else. You go to here and you choose external tool and you search for the external tool, which is called VidVersity, but obviously that could be called whatever you call it in your organisation. That would be set at an organisation level. Who gets to see it? When's it due? So let's make it due after Easter in 2020, and we'll make it available from the 6th, which is today. And we then go save and publish. We now will log out and see what a student gets to see. So I'm going to log in as a student. So the student will be enrolled in that subject. They will have received an email. It depends how you've set up your learning management system, but let's say this person's involved in this one. And here it is, electrical circuit. So they will have got an announcement. Please create the video. And when they get here, they get some instructions, and there's 2 ways that they can, or 3 ways they can create this video. One is they can film from their desktop if they're in an iOS device. They could upload a video, so they could literally go to upload and upload it from their desktop. Or they can use the app. Now the app is a phone app, and this is where things get really interesting. The username stays the same, and that's generated from your LMS, but the destination code changes depending on your assignment. So that's the place that is unique. So what the student does is they download through using their phone. They go to Google Play or they go to the App Store and they download the VidVersity app. Or if it was your organisation, you might have self-branded it. They then log in with that SDG 754 and they put in that passcode. The destination code is what's really important because every assignment has a unique one. And then they create a video in their phone, just as they would in any, just use their camera, and then they go into the app and they click upload and it will turn up here. So once they've created the video, they press upload and then you'll see this starts, they get the video here, it tells you, it starts flashing. They'll also receive an email. So they go into my videos and this is the video I just made on my phone. You click on edit, there's some very basic editing. They can add some text, so they could say Natalie demonstrating. They decide where that's positioned. I want that at the bottom. I click on process text. We can trim the video. We can merge. That can be really handy if you're doing group assignments. So you might have a situation where several of you need to contribute. And the advantage of the app, of course, is all you have to do is give everyone in the group this and they'll send the videos and they'll all end up here. So we can do a number of things. And once we've finished editing it, we could also merge and we could rename it. And then we go over to submission and we click on here. We make our comments. Here is my assignment. We click on process submission and that's going to go straight to the LMS, into the assignment, into the gradebook, ready for the lecturer. So let's go and have a look. So you go into the subject. All the assignments will be there as you'd expect. We'll have to go down to, you'll see there's one there on toilet paper in the economy, which is quite topical at the moment. We'll go down to here. It's called electrical circuit. This is what we've asked them to do. Underneath will be the people who've submitted. You can also see down the bottom who hasn't submitted. Here it is. This is the person who submitted it. We can watch it here or we could expand it and then we could use, so this is it. Natalie demonstrating. and we could use the speed grader as we normally would. So the whole process is extremely streamlined. It makes it easy for the teacher to set up the video assessment requirement. The teacher then sends that through the LMS and it goes to the student. The student can easily make a video with their phone, up to about half an hour long. They press submit or they press upload, it lands in here. They never have to leave their LMS. They can do some basic editing, merge if it's a group assignment, and submit. So it's made that a very, very streamlined process. So if you want any more information, have a look at vidversity.com.